This time I want to create image, AI image. I use create video from prompt. I want this monkey holding the phone, and I want to see what is the result of this monkey holding the phone. My prompt is very simple, so I click the enhance prompt, then you will create more details prompt for me. There is a new prompt that created. Okay, let's go to see and create the image. Okay, wait for a while, about few seconds. Okay, it's coming out the monkey holding the phone. Video Express don't do for me, so I just try by error. Okay, and the prompt here I just copy and paste to the other side there. If I check the video length booster, I will go to 8 seconds. Otherwise, the length only 4 seconds. I change my mind. I want to change the background. Yeah, I want to try background and see to a different background. Okay, click replace background, and now the background one is background change to Photoshop and see what happened. Okay, add some more many monkey. So we just wait for a while, wait for the result coming out and see what is it. Oh, it's coming out, but it's not the result that I want. Okay, why not I try to change another background again. I just put in Photoshop. Yeah, Photoshop and see. This Video Express is one-time payment, so I'm not worried about the credit. Okay, I just keep on trying and trying, or try by error until the background that what I want. Excited to see the result. What? No background. Oh, I'll try one more time. Try the other one in the more and see. See how's the result. Okay, wait some more. Okay, acceptable. At least got people at the background. Once we have a image that we want, so we can start to create video. Just click create video and see the result. When the progress is creating video, it may take longer time, so we can create other image if we want. At the bottom there, you can see it stated that your video will appear in your media library. For me, I copy the Video Express URL to another new tab, so I can check the media library from here. Now click the My AI video. You can see your video is in progress, so have to wait. Now the video is created, so you have to double click and then only you can see the pull down menu. From there you can download, play and delete whatever you want. The created video is follow our prompt in the video prompt. So you can see now the monkey is holding the phone, but there's 8 seconds long. If you feel that not enough or you are not satisfied with this video, you can create again. From the video action prompt, we recreate a new prompt. This time I want the monkey listen the phone. See what is the result. Create image and create video. Create video is take longer time. Same thing, I don't want to disturb on this tab, so I create a new tab and I want to check the video library, so I can see the result there. When we are waiting, we still got time to create another video. Good thing for Video Express is no credit, so we can create whatever video that we want, how many times also can. Very funny, monkey is not listen the phone but seem like tap the phone, like answering the phone. Download and replay again and see. At the background you can see few people walking. The mouth of monkey look like eating something. Okay, still can accept. Now try to replay the first video, monkey holding the phone. See how is it now. Look like the monkey very concentrate and watching playing the phone. Now I got two videos. each video clip got 8 seconds. So total up is 16 seconds. So I drag it to timeline to make in one video. I can export this video to my computer or to my mobile phone. If you're interested on this Video Express, that one-time payment and no credit, okay, every time you make a video. So you can go to my description link, get the discount, buy it and experience it yourself. Bye bye.